If you love okra, you're really going to love this stir fry called Vendakkai Poriyal. This literally means okra or lady's finger, and Poriyal means stir fry or saute dish. This is a classic South Indian stir fry made with okra. It's simple, delicious, and usually eaten with rice and sambar or rasam. Start with 600 grams of okra. I've just cut off the top and I've sliced it. Make sure that your okra is very dry. In a kadai or wok, heat up a quarter cup of oil and saute 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Urad Dhal and 4 teaspoons of Chana Dhal. Add 2 red chillies. I'm just going to break this up into smaller pieces. Saute this till the dals cook, but be careful not to let them burn. Next, I'm going to add in a quarter cup of curry leaves. Now add in all of your chopped okra or Bhindi as it's called in Hindi. Add a pinch of Hing or asafoetida, teaspoon of salt, and saute this well. Now I'm going to add some powdered spices. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this in to coat. Finally, add in 3 teaspoons of Idli podi. I make my own idli podi, which is basically just a combination of spices, curry leaves, and dal. And typically, this is used to spice idlis and dosas. But you can also use a store-bought powder. I will use the juice of half a lime and mix it in to remove the slime. Mix this in. People that complain about slimy okra just aren't cooking it right. Add a bit more oil and continue to cook the okra. In total, I will cook this for 12 to 15 minutes. This gets it a bit crispy and there's no slime in sight. Eat this as a side or a main dish and enjoy.